Hola amigos, welcome back to my kitchen today. We're making something cozy, creamy, and perfect for fall. Pumpkin Spice Arroz con Leche. It's a delicious twist on a Mexican rice pudding full of all the wonderful autumn flavors. Let's get started. What you'll need to get started, you'll need rice, you'll need pumpkin spice, cinnamon, evaporated milk, sweet evaporated milk, some vanilla, you'll need some pumpkin puree and some milk, and that's it. Let's get moving over to the stove. So first, rinse your rice until the water runs clear and remove all the excess starch so it doesn't really get gummy. Now into the pot, add the rice, water, and cinnamon sticks. Let this cook on medium heat until most of the water has all been absorbed. Now we're ready for the magic. Let's go ahead and make our cream here. We'll put our evaporated milk in. We'll put our vanilla in. And I'll put all the ingredients down below. We'll put our pumpkin spice in. We'll put our milk in. And we'll put our pumpkin puree in. Great. And we're going to mix this together lightly. It doesn't have to be completely thoroughly mixed. And then we're going to put our sweetened condensed milk in. And we're going to whip this together nicely. Again, it doesn't have to be thorough, it just has to be all married together. And so let's go ahead and mix this up and get this to the consistency that we want. We're allowing our rice to cook over at the stove right now. As soon as that's done and we've evaporated most of the water and the rice has become soft, we'll go ahead and add our magic in there. Okay, our rice is cooked down now, and we're going to go ahead and add in our creamy sauce, and we're going to allow this to boil one more time, and then we're going to mix it up, and we're going to make sure that we constantly mix so it doesn't stick to the bottom. As soon as it gets to the consistency that we want, we're ready. It's that simple to make arroz con leche with pumpkin spice. You want to make sure that you're constantly mixing. It takes about 5 minutes when you're done. And let's go ahead and give this a taste and see what this is all about. Creamy, rich, and delicious with all the autumn flavors. Try this and let me know what you think in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in our next video. Buen provecho. Until next time. Gracias.